This is my room. I have a ground floor suite. It's really nice in here. 501, yes. My name is Angela. You might know me from Dr. Christian Will See You Now. I'm like the crazy receptionist. I'm on holiday. I'm all the way in Fuerteventura, Coralejo region. And I've come here on my own. So this is literally my first holiday vlog. We have ground view downstairs. I'm gonna go off to town now. So let's see what's in town. This is so freaking weird. To H10 Ocean Dreams Boutique Hotel. They have a spa and gym here, so I'm in my spa wear. Hello! Yes! This outfit here is from Boohoo. It's in the summer range. You'll never guess how much I got it for. I think it was either £6 or £9. What a bargain. I have been really enjoying Fuerteventura. Tomorrow I might get a boat to Lanzarote to see what it's like there. Every room is a suite to the hotel, which is very nice. This mirror is so nice. This is the mirror. This is all my mess. Just took light makeup this time. This is the second restaurant slash bar in the hotel. But it's been really fabulous so far. Like, I've done a lot of things on my own. Like, in the beginning it was really scary, but it's actually quite nice traveling alone. This is my last day in Coralejo. I'm buying my mum some presents, and then I'm gonna hit the shops, and then I'm gonna go back to London, which is quite sad. It's like so nice today, and like I can't believe that I'm like gonna go back to this horrible snowy weather. But yeah, it's been fantastic. And look at the sun, it's so sunny. It's just beautiful.
Échale semilla pa' que suenen las maracas.